Good evening, everyone. This video will be focusing on the file manager itself and the process of how to open it as root in different folders, and pretty much just a normal file manager, but it's a little bit more advanced than most others. There's a few tweaks here and there. I'm going to use this program. It's a simple phone.wave to use to show how to copy paste and other little things. So let's do this. I already have this embedded into my system, so there we go. And we're going to go to desktop, grab this, copy. Now if it does crash, unfortunate, but it is a release candidate, so it is still in work in progress. So I'm going to do a copy, and we're going to go to music. Let's see, music. Oh, I never created music. Oh, media. No. Oh well. Oh, there it is, music. My bad. And I'll just do a paste. Confirms it. Now I could also do a delete of the original one. I'm going to do a delete here. Permanently deletes it. Renames it. Now if I wanted to open as root, I made it very simple. I can either open a terminal directly from here, which ties into the desktop. Yeah. Or I can open a terminal directly from here. So in this case, I just want to open as root. Yeah, see? Open terminal as well. Music. For some reason it does that. There we go. That's Fish. Fishman loves Linux, ladies and gentlemen. My dear friend and a good man. I love him very much. He's helping me. He's my tester for Echo OS, which is an advanced version of Storm OS. Very advanced version, considering it has all these new tools that I've added for it. But yeah, let's move this here. So when you actually, here, let me do that again. I'm going to get out of root. We're going to go into moving it. Of course, when you do a move, I'm doing a drag and drop with the left click only. You can either replace the existing file, rename it, or apply to all conflicts. So I'm just going to rename it and then hit OK. See? Because there was already another one in there. Alright. And that's it for this video, guys. Take care.